Okay, not sure what that was all about. We just lost all power, but we've got it back again. So good morning, we're at the campsite, we're already packed up, so see you on the road. Just left Camping Wega and we're heading up towards Camping Wega now in Belgium. That's not good, but at least the handy survived the accident. Start the morning with a nice little ride through the back roads, quite scenic. Hey guys, it really helps me out if you can share the video, hit the like button, subscribe to my channel, hit the bell for new content. Okay, not sure what that was all about. We just lost all power, but we've got it back again. Not sure what's going on. Maybe it's just dirty petrol. I've just stopped at this little town and I found this little restaurant called Point de Vue. It's such a stunning little place, and the backdrop. Then if you enjoy your coffee with a view, look at that. Last half an hour, 45 minutes that I rode up, I started losing all power. If you guys got any comments and suggestions on what it may be, as I'm on tour and I can't get to my mechanic, please let me know. These curves are lovely, but don't get me wrong, with these leaves and those I think it's the needles from the conifers, ironically they settle in the corners where you want to lean the bike. One small slip and your front side washes out. Not going to be a good day, is it? Hey guys, it really helps me out if you can share the video, hit the like button, subscribe to my channel, hit the bell for new content.
You always pick me up and let me down. We're spinning around, losing our minds. Damned if we do, damned if we don't, damned if we give.
So I just stopped at this Marie Blanchard. Super bakery, absolutely delicious. Got 4 croissants for €3. They got a special on, which is great if you're on the road and you're on a budget, which most of you will understand. So we're in the little town of Giveux, and it's quite a nice little town. I tell you what, forget camping, I think I might just stop here for the night. Up over there you can see some sort of castle. Oh, these roads are beautiful, absolutely beautiful. Metet circuit. All you race fans, have you ever ridden on a racing track with a adventure bike? Welcome to Camping Alley. Just arrived in Camping Alley. So change of plans. I got to Camping Alley. They said they are closed today for camping only due to work being done. Then I had a 10-minute conversation with a guy explaining that you said camping was open, and I drove up 250 kilometers and I've already phoned up and confirmed that you're open, and 3 hours later you tell me it's closed. That's not good. So, Camping Alley, love it or hate it, I can't recommend it. Sorry. I've spoken to the guys at Tour Camp Wega, and they said just find yourself a campsite, and the guy is going to meet me at reception at 6:30. So we've officially arrived. Welcome to Holland. Certainly no mountains and twisties, and I think for most of it Holland is pretty flat. Thanks for joining me again, and see you next time.